Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is a privilege to join you today virtually and to contribute to this important conversation on how we can reinvent finance for people and the planet. My name is Isabelle Delas, CEO of LuxFLAG, the Luxembourg Finance Labeling Agency. For more than 20 years, LuxFLAG has worked to advance trust, transparency and credibility within sustainable finance by certifying investment products that demonstrate clear commitments to environmental, social and impact-driven outcomes. Our labels, Impact, ESG or Transition, serve as independent signals of quality, helping investors navigate complexity, manage risk and direct capital where it is most urgently needed. Today, I would like to briefly share 3 key messages. First, ambition alone is not enough. The world requires confidence and verifiable accountability. Capital is available. Investor interest in sustainability has never been higher. Yet, global progress is far too slow. One of the reasons is a persistent lack of clarity. Different definitions, fragmented data, and uneven interpretations of sustainability claims. This uncertainty discourages capital from flowing where it could create long-term positive change. The LuxFLAG mission is to support the markets with robust, independent, and internationally recognized labels. Whether an investor seeks to finance climate and nature, contribute to impact, or follow a credible transition pathway, our labels help bridge the trust gap. They support transparency, they reward integrity, and they create a more confident environment for action. Second, we need effective tools if we want to accelerate momentum. Regulatory frameworks such as the SFDR have significantly advanced sustainable finance, but they have also increased the burden on asset managers who must process, interpret and disclose large volumes of information. This is where technological innovation plays a pivotal role. Artificial intelligence can be a transformative enabler across the financial ecosystem. It can support a more rapid review of documentation, the consistent interpretation of sustainability criteria, and the automated identification of material risk across thousands of pages of filings, assessments, and reports. This is not about replacing human judgment, but about freeing human expertise to focus on what matters most: intentionality, quality, and impact. For labeling agencies such as LuxFLAG, these technological developments open new possibilities. They can help us scale our processes efficiently, enhance the robustness of our assessments, and increase the speed with which credible products are brought to market. More importantly, they can reduce barriers for smaller or emerging players, widening access to sustainable finance. Third, artificial intelligence creates new opportunities for genuine, measurable impact. One of the biggest challenges in impact and sustainable finance is measurement. Collecting data, verifying it, and translating it into meaningful insights that guide investment decisions. AI can accelerate this by enabling more accurate analysis of environmental and social indicators, improving the monitoring of portfolio impacts, and identifying patterns that would not be evident otherwise. This innovation will strengthen impact investing, where reliable metrics and timely information are essential. By improving the consistency and velocity of data flows, AI can help investors allocate capital more confidently and respond more rapidly to evolving risks such as biodiversity loss, climate exposure, or human rights concerns. However, as we embrace these opportunities, we must also remain vigilant. AI is not neutral. It reflects the quality of the data it receives and the governance frameworks that shape its use. Ensuring transparency, avoiding biases, and upholding accountability must remain at the center of our collective approach. In conclusion, the transition to a sustainable global economy requires trust, technology, and collaboration. Labeling organizations such as LuxFLAG play a vital role in strengthening the credibility of the market. Artificial intelligence offers powerful tools to accelerate progress, improve measurement, and enhance decision-making. And global conferences such as COP remind us that none of this happens in isolation. It depends on the commitment of governments, financial institutions, civil society, and innovators working together. If we use technology responsibly and remain firm in our values, we have an opportunity to reshape the financial system so that it truly serves people and the planet. Wishing you all a fruitful time in Belém. Thank you.